Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, an absolutely gorgeous day, and why not finish it off with beautiful Lake Martin out here as shot by John Monte, our killer photographer, and all around nice sky. And look at that, we got a little bit of a gator right here. I don't even want to step in this picture. This is just so peaceful. Let's just sit on this for the next 3 minutes. Why do weather? Absolutely beautiful weather this evening out at Lake Martin. Probably still mosquitoes out there, but hey, it's a lot cooler. There's a little bit of a breeze that does keep the mosquitoes at bay, and this gator's just chilling on out. Beautiful shot here, John. Thank you a lot. And as we look at the big picture across the lower 48, it is awfully quiet close to home. We're in between weather systems, as it seems like we've been all tropical season long and all frontal season long, and got more weather to the west, and then Tropical Storm Michael still causing issue and some localized flash flooding. But finally this system is moving out, still sporting 50-mile-per-hour winds, but less tropical, becoming extra tropical, and this mess will be moving out to sea, and good riddance to that system as it will be moving out into the open Atlantic. Now, if you liked it this morning, most of us in the low to mid 60s, you're going to love tomorrow morning, as we should be somewhere between 4 and 8 degrees cooler. Got into the lower 80s this afternoon, but cooling off nicely now in the 60s. That was our morning low in Lafayette, so we'll get down into the mid to upper 50s tonight. Nice north wind finally driving the high tides down across the coastal areas. We had that big bulge of water that came in with that hurricane in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and that covers the entire Gulf. Tides were above normal all the way back through the Texas coast with Hurricane Michael. Now, as we open it on up, take a look at Michael. There you can see the remnant system. Very heavy rains and flash flooding across portions of West Virginia and Virginia today, but finally that system beginning to move out. And then we look at what else is going on. Well, we have Tropical Storm Sergio here in the Pacific, weakening storm, but you can see the high level moisture already streaming into the southwest, and this moisture will deliver more rainfall in the desert southwest and then moving into the high plains in the nation's midsection as we go deeper into the weekend. Meanwhile, the Gulf and the Caribbean relatively quiet, but we're keeping an eye on some of those storms in the central Caribbean. The National Hurricane Center gives us about a 30% chance of development, but if anything were to develop, it's going to affect Central America, maybe the Yucatan, but it's going to stay down here, we think. And I think even beyond 5 days, we might see something developing down here. We'll keep our eye on that. There's Michael. Hurricane Leslie, 90-mile-per-hour winds. Some of the Portugal islands in the far eastern Atlantic have raised tropical storm warnings. And then off to the south, we have Tropical Storm Nadine. That one's going to die a slow death out in the open Atlantic. So in the near term for us, nice and beautiful weather as high pressure banks in from the north. It stays lovely throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures mostly in the 70s. We'll probably touch about 80 for a high, but in the 70s most of the day. And it looks pretty good for Saturday as well. Even though our winds coming around out of the southeast Saturday afternoon, the humidity won't be back until Sunday. And this little bit of a frontal trough off to the west of us will be edging closer as we go into mainly Monday. So I think we squeeze out a pretty good looking weekend ahead. Near term, it's all about the temperatures, and the lows tonight dropping down lower 50s. Northern portions of Acadiana will favor low to mid 50s I-10 corridor, with Lake Charles, Lafayette, the milder spots in the mid to upper 50s, and low to mid 50s along the coast with the exception of Cameron. And after that cool start tomorrow morning, just another beautiful day. Not a bad day to call in sick. Don't tell them Perillo told you that, but it's going to be a nice one. Upper 70s to near 80 then tomorrow night, dropping down into the upper 50s to lower 60s, so not quite as comfortable, but still awfully nice. And Saturday, partly cloudy, looks to be very nice. Temperatures low to mid 80s, so feeling good. First cool night, temperatures in the 50s since late April. The last week of April we saw 50s. Open up the windows and enjoy that cool air. Tomorrow, a fine finish to the week with mostly sunny skies. Once again, comfortable humidity, 81 the projected high. Going down the road, Sunday's going to be warmer, a little bit more uncomfortable, but looks good for Festival Acadien et Creole and the Cattle Festival. Let's see what else is going on. It's homecoming. Some folks have to cut the grass. Whatever you have planned outdoors, that you're good. Going into early next week, some showers, then another cool front late Monday, which should bring our temperatures into the low to mid 70s for highs. Plenty of clouds going into next week, but it looks awfully nice. And it usually does look awfully nice once we get into mid-October.
Yeah, we really lucked out this year. Don't you remember with Festival International, it was nice and cool?
Yes, it was. And that was the week that we had
Late
50.
April.
Yeah,
in April we were like, what is this 50 stuff?
Yeah,
We live in
so-
South Louisiana.
Yeah, it's working
been a
out
good
well
year.
for all our festivals
Sure
so
is.
far.
Yeah, thanks,
Right.
Rob.